arrived in Cambodia in 2008, the industry had 6 insurance companies, 5 general insurers and 1 reinsurer. There were 2 agents, and there were no brokers. From 6 insurers, the market is now 40 insurance companies. While it's wonderful to reminisce and rightfully recognize past achievements, this evening is about the future. What does the future hold for the industry? How can the market be further developed? And what are the key challenges ahead? While there has been spectacular growth, the insurance market in the kingdom is still relatively small. The Asia-Pacific insurance market has a total of 1.8 trillion gross premiums in 2020. It's 32% of the whole global market. The opportunity for growth is phenomenal. And that's why I imagine a lot of the new insurance companies have decided to enter the market, because they see the opportunity that is before us. With the growth, innovation must follow. The introduction of life products in 2012 was a major catalyst for growth and expansion. Microinsurance is reaching the underinsured as microfinance is reaching the underbanked. As the capital markets develop, now the fund management sector is poised to contribute to the insurance industry. Finally, insurance is about people. There's much discussion about the importance of financial literacy. To increase insurance demand, we must increase insurance literacy.
Over the decades, Cambodia's insurance sector has been being remarkably developed, but dynamic and fast-paced. It is obviously reflected in the growth of the market size, about 20% on average per annum over the last 5 years. The market size reached $300 million in gross premium in 2021. With total assets of approximately $850 million and created about 4,000 full-time jobs and more than 10,000 part-time jobs. In order to grab such a potential, the royal government of Cambodia has introduced strategies and policies to promote the diversification of financial products in the financial sector, as reflected in the Financial Sector Development Strategy 2016-2025. I would like to appreciate once again AmCham Cambodia for organizing this important event, and thank in advance my colleagues as speakers for updating participants the progress of Cambodia insurance markets, as well as panelists for sharing views towards sustainable development of the insurance sector in Cambodia.
Over the last 5 years, the number of insurance companies has increased substantially. As of today, our market has 39 insurers, of which 18 are general insurance, 14 are life insurance, and 7 are micro insurance. And we have only 1 reinsurance company. So I think it is obvious that we still have more room for the new players to step in to invest in our country. Looking at the retention ratio here, it is fairly stable across these 5 years. I think it is an indication that the insurance industry still has adequate underwriting capacities and the robust financial strength to mitigate the risk by themselves.
His Excellency mentioned the Cambodia Strategic Development Plan for the Insurance Sector 2021 to 2030. Can you comment on the key developments the plan will address and how this will support the growth in the industry?
In that, we actually set out 3 phases. There's short-term, medium-term, and long-term vision, where we focus on institutional parts, as well as the technical parts and the operation part. Together, we can always discuss, as you can already in practice, every law and regulations that has been put into practice has already been consulted with the industry. So this is one step ahead that we already show the road where we are moving forward. So the industries as a whole, the strategic development plan is publicly available. So you can also check out anytime, and then whatever happened, you can also consult with us at any stage as well.
What made Forte enter the market in 1996? And how have you seen the market change in the last 26 years? And I think that's a question also as you reflect on that, thinking about the next 26 years.
The industry have grown tremendously, and we have the similar product that other countries have. I think this is the witness of the growth. And the question why Forte come into market, I think because of opportunity. I think during that period, there was not many investors want to look into the insurance company. When they come to the market, they said, oh, all the car, no insurance. All the cargo, no insurance. All the house, no insurance. All people do not have health insurance or PA or life insurance. Therefore, they said this market is a long way to go. I think we will grow very fast. The industry grow very fast. As I said, that the insurance is a backbone of the financial industry, including the family financial as well.
How are all your respective companies preparing for future customer needs and requirements, and how are you supporting increased penetration?
From Etiqa, we will be ready in terms of offer the product and also the service. Of course, in the insurance industry, is a claim service that we will make a claim service more convenient, fast, and easy. Is our core value or mission in here.
From a position of brokers, digital going to be a very good opportunity. Especially we have very strong support from our regulator on as well as the government on the digital policy, to encourage industry, to move into digital.
Andrew, how are we preparing for a change in potentially personalized service, personalized selling, to somebody getting on a device and comparing quotes with your competitors and just buying on that basis?
We're not very good at getting to know and providing good customer experience when it comes to insurance industry. And that's an area that really we as an industry needs to raise our game and really go out to understand our client, get to know them. And it was quite well mentioned that there are different generations rising up. What could be in the Rith generations is different from my generations, is different from my kids' generations, right? And you need people of different generations to want to join the industry, and at the same time, as a insurance industry, we need to go out and understand the consumer experience.
So I am going to defer closing remarks and give my card to His Excellency to do the closing remarks, because I'm sure he'll do a better job.
So the basics issue that we have to handle in order to grow the markets, public awareness. Even the government, in terms of technology, has a clear policy framework: digital economy, digital business, digital society. We encourage that. But look at the basic concept of insurance in market growth, as I already mentioned: consumer. In addition to that, of course, technology, distribution channel, we have agencies, we have bank assurance. Of course, digital platform is coming up. We can be encouraged to sell on that. So all the companies here, if you don't present your product to the province, I mean country-wise, they don't know who you are, why you have to buy insurance. And you keep investing in technology, if they don't know about insurance, what is nothing in the end. So that's what I can say. I just would like to comment and say again, panelists and all participants, have a good night today. Thank you.